Hi friends, this is Anirban De. I am a HR professional. Today I will talk about Social Security Code 2020. Okay, it's a very vast area to discuss, but today I will only concentrate on the benefits which one employee will get out of this code. Okay, means benefits related to employees against Social Security Code 2020. Okay, so first of all, the code aims to provide social security to all employees, whether organized or unorganized, or any other sector like gig workers, platform workers, permanent, contract, or fixed term employees. All are covered under Social Security Code 2020. Means unorganized sector employees, gig workers, platform workers, permanent contract, fixed term contracts, now all are covered under Social Security scheme. They will get benefit for PF, ESI, maternity, everything. Okay, so this is the most critical part of this code, where each and every employee will be benefited out of this. Okay, now as wage definition has been changed, so employee will get more PF, more bonus, higher gratuity, PL, everything. So this is also a good thing for this code. ESIC coverage has been changed and extended to hazardous activities irrespective of number of employees. Means if someone is engaged in a life-threatening occupation, in that area earlier, until or unless 10 employees are working, they are not getting benefit. But now if one employee is also working, then also they will get ESIC benefit if they are coming under hazardous activities or the work is related to life-threatening occupation. Okay, so this is also a great scope in respect of ESIC. Fixed term employees are also get gratuity on pro rata basis if completed 1 year of service. Earlier, for gratuity, you need to complete 4 years and 8 months of service. But now, 4 years of 8 months of service is always there for other employees. But in case of fixed term employees, it's 1 year of service. Okay, and you will get the same, means fixed term employees will get the gratuity on pro rata basis. EDLI limit has been increased. Now it is 7 lakh. No tax on PF after retirement. No tax on PF after 5 years of service. Forfeiture of gratuity. Okay. For forfeiture of gratuity, now departmental activities or departmental enquiry is not enough. Departmental activities or enquiry is not enough for forfeiture of gratuity. The crime should be convicted in court of law, in criminal court. Crime should be convicted in criminal court only. Then you can going for forfeiture of gratuity, either partial or full. So departmental enquiry is not enough. This is also a great scope for employees. Okay. Now in case of ESIC also, if suppose your employer has not been paid your contribution to the ESIC authority, then also worker will get the benefit. Employer will pay later on to the ESIC authority. So these are all benefits which has been provided through Social Security Code 2020. So if you like my video, so then share it, like it, and subscribe my YouTube channel, so that in the near future you will get more information from my site. Thank you everyone.